Rebuttal.
Yeah, water splash, water splash, yeah, water splash, water splash, yeah, my diamonds looking like some water splash, yeah, my bitches stay on water splash, yeah, dropping that shit like water, bitch, yeah, your bitch she dripping like some fucking water, bitch, oh, Young ballin' in this bitch, man, oh, Young in this bitch, water down. Yeah, your bitch, she water me down. I hit that bitch and then I make her hit the fucking ground. Whoa, yeah, Young in that bitch, I'm ballin' too. Pull up in the Rari and these niggas don't like it too. I hit these bitches with the smile and they love that shit. I just let these niggas know I got the motherfucking set. Christina get anything that I want. You fuck niggas soft as pie and cutting into. I just wanna let you niggas know I ain't no fucking man. You niggas can't get it, man. You niggas on the motherfucking L Street, man. I put these niggas in their fucking place. While it real hard, you niggas don't know. Young nigga from the east, and I'm ballin' like the motherfucking beast. Yeah, I'm a motherfucking beast up off the fucking leash, and I'm ready to beast. Ooh, I'm ready to beast on these fall niggas. Y'all some flawed niggas. I heard these niggas say they switched up on the niggas. Hold on, wait a minute, nigga. You ain't switch up. You just a flaw ass nigga. You ain't switch up the game, nigga. You ain't nothing but a flaw nigga. I'ma let you niggas know y'all ain't black. That shit, nigga. Everything you rap ain't about motherfucking Kool-Aid. That shit that you say, that shit ain't even real, man. You niggas motherfucking generic brain ass niggas. Fuck niggas, y'all belong in the motherfucking cage. I'ma let you niggas know. Yeah, that I'm saying this shit off the top of the dome. Y'all niggas ain't nothing but some fucking cotton. If I look at you, stare at you, you might piss on yourself. I'm a young G in the motherfucking streets, in the motherfucking